Hello friends, welcome back to lmsd.com. In today's video, we will see how you can completely hide the email visibility field from the users so that they cannot change it for their own individual profile. One of our visitors have asked this query in the comments section below. So here is the way how you can do this. So first I will explain the problem in detail for everyone else. So I am logged into this Moodle site as admin. So let me go to the admin menu here. And under the users tab, there is the users default preferences. And here we have an option to set the email visibility by default for all the users. So if we choose hidden, then it will be marked as hidden on their profile, but they have still the capability to change it from hidden to anything else out of these two options, which will make their profile email visible to everyone or visible even to the course participants. But the user has asked us if we can completely hide this option from the students so they cannot change it at all on their profile page. So I will be just showing you like by a student's profile first. So this is the other browser and I will be just logging into the student's profile here. And I will be just going to the profile field and click on edit profile. So here you can see that email visibility field is as of now set to default, but we can still change it and save it as a student. So this is the problem which we would like to address now. So for this one, we need to add a bit of CSS code for your Moodle site. So if you are using any other theme apart from Boost, which is the default theme, so I will be just showing you a code which will work on every single theme on Moodle, which shall work on every single theme. But if you still face any problem, then please let me know. I will be trying to address that issue. So to add that CSS code, we need to go to the appearance section here and then go to the themes, the additional HTML under the appearance. So here we need to add the additional HTML code here. Now here within the head section, we will be adding that specific code. So I will be just trying to see if I have that on my clipboard here. So basically we are adding a style element in this HTML code, and what we are trying to do is we are adding a ID mail display. So it is a form item ID mail display, and we are asking it to display none, which means that it will hide the item from the users. And then just click save changes button. So now we have added this style element as an admin to our appearance section. And now I will be just going back to the student's profile and trying to refresh this page. And you can see that it has completely vanished away from this page. So this is how you can completely hide the email visibility field from the students on your Moodle site. If you feel this video helpful, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the future. Thank you very much for watching today. Have a great day. Bye bye.